Innovation in banking. Part 2. Mobile banking, EFT, cards, and small banks. BBA, BCU. Riaz notes. Mobile banking, meaning and services. Meaning. Mobile banking means using your smartphone or tablet to do banking tasks, check balance, transfer money, pay bills without going to a branch. Word. Mobile means portable. Banking means managing money. Together, mobile banking equals managing your money from your phone, anywhere, anytime. How it works. You download your bank's app, log in with a PIN or fingerprint, and access all services. Available 24/7, no branch visit needed. Services: fund transfer, balance inquiry, mini statement, bill payment, mobile recharge, FD booking, checkbook request, and loan account details. Mobile banking challenges. 1. Security risk. Hacking, phishing, and malware attacks can steal account details from mobile devices. 2. Limited internet. Mobile banking needs a stable internet connection, a problem in rural areas. 3. Smartphone dependency. Only smartphone users can access it, basic phone users are excluded. 4. Technical issues. App crashes, server downtime, or software bugs can disrupt services. 5. Literacy barrier. Users who are not tech-savvy may find mobile banking apps difficult to use. 6. Transaction limits. Banks set daily caps on mobile transfers, may not suit high-value transactions. EFT and MICR. EFT meaning. EFT equals electronic fund transfer. It means moving money from one bank account to another using electronic systems, no cash, no check needed. EFT uses. EFT is used for salary payments, vendor payments, government benefit transfers, and online shopping settlements. MICR meaning. MICR equals magnetic ink character recognition, a technology that verifies and processes checks using characters printed in magnetic ink. MICR works. The 9-digit MICR code at the bottom of a check contains the city, bank, and branch code. Machines read this to clear checks quickly and accurately. ARTGS, real-time gross settlement. Meaning, ARTGS equals real-time gross settlement. It is an electronic system where funds are transferred between banks instantly, one transaction at a time, not in batches. Word, real-time, means instantly. Gross settlement means each transaction is settled individually, not combined with others. How it works. The sender instructs their bank to transfer funds. The transfer happens through RBI's ARTGS system in real time, no waiting for end-of-day processing. Key features. Minimum 2 Indian rupees lakh per transaction. Available on all bank working days. Transfers are final and irrevocable. Once sent, cannot be reversed. NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer. Meaning, NEFT equals National Electronic Funds Transfer. It is an RBI-operated system that allows individuals and businesses to transfer money between banks across India. Word, national equals across India. Electronic equals digital. Funds transfer equals moving money. So NEFT equals moving money digitally across Indian banks. How it works. NEFT works in batches. Transactions are processed together in settlement cycles. RBI operates NEFT 24/7, 365 days a year since December 2019. Key features. No minimum or maximum transfer limit. Suitable for small and large amounts. Transfers within the same bank also possible. Minimal charges. ECS and Check Truncation System, CTS. ECS meaning. ECS equals Electronic Clearing Service. Used for bulk or repetitive payments, like salary credits, EMI debits, dividend payments. ECS types. ECS credit. Companies credit salaries and dividends. ECS debit. Lenders auto-collect EMIs and insurance premiums from customer accounts. CTS meaning. CTS equals Check Truncation System. A faster clearing process where a digital image of the check is sent electronically, no physical check movement. CTS benefit. CTS eliminates physical handling of checks. Clearing is faster, usually same day or next day. Reduces fraud and processing errors. Electronic check, features and advantages. Features. a digital version of a paper check with the same legal validity. Signed using a digital signature. Sent via email or online banking. Contains all details: bank name, account number, amount, date, and signature. Faster processing. Electronic checks are cleared quickly without physical transportation, saving time. Cost saving. No printing, postage, or courier cost, significantly cheaper than paper checks. Secure. Digital signatures make forgery extremely difficult, safer than handwritten signatures. Small finance banks, meaning and functions. Meaning: small finance banks are licensed by RBI to provide basic banking services, deposits, and loans, mainly to unserved and underserved sections of society. Word: small equals focused on small-scale customers. Finance equals money management. Together equals a bank for people that big banks overlook. Functions: accept savings and fixed deposits. Give small loans to farmers, small businesses, and low-income households. Provide payment and remittance services. Also offer insurance, mutual funds, and pension products are offered through tie-ups, a full financial service package for underserved customers. Small finance banks, advantages and limitations. Advantages: financial inclusion, brings banking to rural and semi-urban areas. Easy credit, small businesses and farmers get loans big banks deny. Higher deposit interest rates. Understand local customer needs better. Limited area. Small finance banks cannot operate freely all over India. Area restrictions apply. High risk. They lend to higher-risk borrowers like small farmers and vendors. Default risk is greater. Limited scale. Small capital base and a narrower product range compared to large public or private sector banks. Payment banks, meaning and functions. Meaning: payment banks are introduced by RBI. They can accept deposits up to 2 Indian rupees lakh per customer and offer basic banking, but cannot give loans or credit cards. Word: payment equals focused on transactions. Bank equals licensed institution. So payment banks equals banks that help you pay and transfer money, not borrow. Functions: accept savings deposits up to 2 Indian rupees lakh. Issue debit/ATM cards. Offer mobile and internet banking. Facilitate remittances, especially for migrant workers. Also offer sell insurance, mutual funds, and pension products as agents. Example: Airtel Payments Bank, India Post Payments Bank, Paytm Payments Bank. Payment banks, advantages and limitations. Advantages: financial access, brings banking to those without formal accounts. Mobile-first design, easy to use. Deposit safe under RBI regulations. Low charges for customers. No lending, cannot give loans or overdraft facilities, limits usefulness for customers who need credit. Deposit cap, maximum 2 Indian rupees lakh per customer, not suitable for large savers or business accounts. Profitability, revenue only from fees and commissions, difficult to earn profit without lending income. Digital wallet/e-wallet. Meaning: a digital wallet is an electronic app that stores money digitally and lets you make payments without using cash or a physical card. Word: digital equals electronic. Wallet equals container for money. Digital wallet equals a virtual container where you store money and use it for payments. How it works: you load money from your bank account into the wallet. Then use the wallet to pay at shops, online, or send money to friends instantly. Examples: Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, and MobiKwik are popular e-wallets in India. Linked to your mobile number and bank account. Riaz notes. Beam app, borrowed interface for money. Meaning: Beam equals borrowed interface for money. A mobile payment app launched by NPCI in 2016 to promote digital payments using the UPI platform. Named after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Works on UPI, directly linked to your bank account. No need to load money separately like a wallet. Works on the Unified Payments Interface System. Features: send money using mobile number, UPI ID, or QR code. Request money from others. Check transaction history. Works 24/7, including bank holidays. Advantage: supports multiple bank accounts on one app. Simple interface, designed to be easy for all users, including first-time digital payment users. IMPS, Immediate Payment Service. Meaning, IMPS equals Immediate Payment Service. A real-time interbank payment service by NPCI that allows instant fund transfers 24/7, including on holidays. Word, immediate equals right now. Payment service equals system to send money. So IMPS equals send money to any bank, instantly, any time of day or night. How it works. You initiate a transfer from your bank app, internet banking, or ATM. Money reaches the receiver's account within seconds, round the clock, 365 days. Key features. Minimum 1 Indian rupee can be transferred. Available on mobile, internet banking, ATMs, and bank branches. Both sender and receiver get instant SMS confirmation. APS, meaning and features. Meaning, APS equals Aadhaar-enabled payment system. A banking service that lets customers do basic banking using only their Aadhaar number and fingerprint, no card or PIN needed. Word, Aadhaar equals foundation. Enabled payment system equals payments made possible through Aadhaar. APS equals use your Aadhaar identity to do banking. Works through a micro ATM or point-of-sale device operated by a business correspondent. Uses biometric authentication, fingerprint or iris scan for verification. Key features. No debit card, PIN, or smartphone required. Accessible in villages where banks have no branches. Operated by NPCI, fully secure and regulated. APS, benefits and banking services. Financial inclusion reaches the unbanked population in rural India, people who have never stepped inside a bank branch. No documents. Aadhaar number plus fingerprint is enough. No card, no PIN, no paper form. Fraud resistant. Biometric authentication makes misuse extremely difficult, much safer than a PIN. Banking services. Cash withdrawal, cash deposit, balance inquiry, mini statement, and fund transfer from one Aadhaar-linked account to another. KYC norms, meaning and components. Meaning, KYC equals Know Your Customer. A mandatory process where banks verify the identity and address of customers before opening accounts or providing services. Word, know equals identify and understand. Your customer equals the person using the bank. So KYC equals the bank making sure it knows exactly who you are. Identity proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, or driving license, any one valid government-issued document. Address proof, Aadhaar card, utility bills, electricity/water, bank statement, or rent agreement to confirm where the customer lives. KYC, types, process, and importance. Types. Physical KYC, visit branch with documents. Video KYC, live video call with bank officer. eKYC, Aadhaar-based electronic verification, fastest. ReKYC, periodic update of customer records. Process. Customer submits documents, bank verifies risk category assigned, low/medium/high risk, account opened. Prevents fraud. KYC prevents money laundering, financial fraud, and identity theft, protects both the bank and the customer. Regulatory. Required by RBI for all account holders. Banks can be penalized for not following KYC norms properly. That's a wrap for Part 2. Watch Part 3 for Basel norms, AI in banking and blockchain. Thumbs up, like, bell, subscribe, memo, share with your classmates. Ria's notes.